Sir, one thing more, nasabi ninyo na handa kayong isubmit ang yung sarili sa ICI.
Yes.
May invitation na ba sila sa inyo?
Wala pa,
yata?
hindi.
Oo.
Sinabit yung sulat this morning. Para sa akin, for me, I have nothing to hide. If they want to question me, if they want to call me in, I will make myself available to them.
How about si Pangulong?
Kumusta naman si
Kumusta
Pangulo?
naman po siya, sir?
Ha?
Kumusta naman po si Pangulo?
Of course, matapang ang ating Pangulo. But, you know, I would be lying if I didn't say na medyo heartbroken din siya sa mga naganap last week. So, yeah, he's trying to be strong. He is being strong, but kita mo naman din at medyo naawa ko sa kanya na it hurts. It hurts as a family, but we have to keep going and make sure that we do our jobs to the best of our ability.
How about yung mga cousins po ninyo? Your dealings and relationship?
Ano po?
Yung mga cousins po ninyo, especially.
I don't want to talk about, you know, family relations.
That's family,
a private
yeah.
matter, but mahal na mahal ko ang aking mga pinsan. I was just talking to Vice Gov na pala. To Vice Gov Matt today. Nag-usap kami ni Michael at Borgie last week, so we're good.
Sir, lastly, may gusto ka pang iparating sa mga nanonood na kababayan
Yan lang nga
natin
po,
ngayon?
na kahit po pasalamat, kanti kakailian mi, para sa kanilang walang tigil na suporta. Rest assured that I am more motivated now than ever to show that we are here to get the work done. So we will continue being of service to the 1st District and to the Ilocanos.